Hello everyone, this is Moni Singh and we are going to learn about magnetic effect of electric current. So what is magnetic effect of electric current? Well, when electric current passes through a conducting wire, then that wire behaves like a magnet. How? By producing a magnetic field around it. So due to that magnetic field, it behaves like a magnet, and this is magnetic effect. And what does happen actually during that? That wire can attract the magnetic materials around it. So this is magnetic effect of electric current. What happens? The wire through which conducting wire through which electricity passes, that behaves like a magnet by creating a magnetic field around it. Okay, so what is this magnetic field? Magnetic field is created by a magnet due to which it can attract the magnetic material which comes nearby its magnetic field or which comes in its magnetic field. Okay, for better explanation, let us take an example of a bar magnet. North pole, south pole, correct? So what happens? The magnetic field is created from north pole towards the south pole to on its surrounding. Okay, on the surrounding of a bar magnet. So due to this magnetic field, whatever the things that comes nearby the magnetic poles, it will attract those magnetic things only, not everything, but magnetic things like iron, cobalt, nickel. These are magnetic materials. Okay, so maximum attraction is towards the pole, and a little bit attraction is also there, can be observed nearby the center of this bar magnet. So in this way a magnet works, because magnet creates a magnetic field around it, and the magnetic object, when it comes nearby it, then it can attract those magnetic objects. So just like that, when current passes through a conducting wire, then that wire behaves like a magnet by attracting magnetic materials towards it. Okay, so let us take an example. This is a setup of a circuit. What we have to do for this, we have to make an arrangement of wire, joining it with battery, then switch we have to join it with a switch, then we need a compass. All this arrangement we can do on a tabletop, okay, on the surface of table. So this is switch off position, that means circuit incomplete, no more current is flowing over here. Okay, so during this condition, what we can observe, the needle of the compass will be on rest position. So we know that the rest position of a needle of the compass is always north and south. The red color shows north direction and the blue color of the needle shows south direction. Okay, so this is in rest position, there is not any movement on the needle of the compass. This circuit is incomplete because switch is off. Now again same situation, but we have switch on. Now we have on our switch, and due to that circuit is completed, and now current will start flowing from battery, from the positive pole towards the negative pole of a battery. Okay, so due to that, when current will start flowing from this circuit, this conducting wire will behave like a magnet. Due to that, the compass, in the compass there is a needle that is called magnetic needle. So that magnetic needle will show deflection, that will move from its original position. So this deflection shows that this conducting wire is behaving like a magnet, due to which the compass, needle of the compass is deflected from its position. So by doing this experiment, we can know that how conducting wire behaves like a magnet. And the effect of the conducting wire can be increased by increasing the number of cell. Okay, so if more cell will be there, then it will show more magnetic effect. Now again, if we change the direction of this battery, that is arrangement of the battery, that is positive terminal here and negative terminal here. If suppose we have change this arrangement, then what will happen? In this way, like we are arranging it in this way, okay, then what will happen? The current will flow from positive towards negative, that means from this side towards this side, and suppose compass is here only, we have not changed the position of compass, then what will happen to the needle of the compass? It will deflect in this direction. It will deflect in this direction. Okay, so the direction of the needle of the compass will change according to the direction of cell, according to the arrangement of cell, according to the flow of current. So now current is flowing from this direction to this direction, and compass is there only, its needle will show deflection, but the direction will be changed. So all these things shows that there is magnetic effect shown by an electric current conducting wire. At the same time, direction of flow of current also matters, and magnetic effects can be seen accordingly. Okay, I hope you understood this topic. Now you look at the screen.